our school president and chairman of the board of trustees, Dr. Eduardo Escobar, to our guest speaker, Dr. Orselin S. Lopez, to our school administrator, Ma'am Elizabeth Estimol, to our school directress, Ma'am Leslie Kiman, to our school principal, Ma'am Alondra Dirazon, to our senior high school assistant principal, Ms. Lindy Tanuelo, to our elementary assistant principal, Ma'am Desiree P. Dolores, respected faculty, non-teaching staffs, proud parents, and of course, to my fellow graduates, a blessed morning to all of us. With pride, honor, and relief, we all stand here at the end of our senior high school journey with proudness, asking, naalala niyo po ba yung anong saan kaya yung kukunin ko? ABM, STEM, or UMS? Looking back at that path, it feels overwhelming. Yung introduce yourself to the little components of the room and to the small and big wins of yours and your section. Parang bilis, aalis na nga tayo. And while we look back at that path, looking back at that path, I felt, or I feel like I lost something. I feel like I lost a version of myself, and I know you did too. We lost versions of ourselves that we thought we carry natin hanggang ngayon. We lost version of ourselves, and for some, it brought them peace. But for some, they are haunted by what could have been or who they could have been kung hindi nawala yung version ng sarili nila yun. And just like how I'm being haunted by, sana ako pa rin yun. A version who is always available. A version who cares too much. And a version who is an overachiever. However, I realized, hindi ba palagi ito yung magaling? And it may be quiet, simple, and not impressive for many na hindi ko palagi nag-achieve. It will bring you peace. Na okay lang naman pala, at least we survive. And I know many of us are haunted by the versions of themselves na they lost. Haunted by so many what could have been, haunted by so many what should have been, and haunted by so many what would have been kung hindi nawala yung sarili na tayo. Sabi nga sa kanta ng mga Joe, for sure narinig niyo na, minumod ko na ako ng damdamin mo. Sabi niya. While we look back to those moments, I hope we also take a moment to look forward and thank ourselves for moving forward. And as we proceed with this ceremony, you will see countless certificates with hunting medals and awards that we have worked so hard to achieve. Awards that we have always thought would determine our values as students. But today we stand here not to honor the number of medals we are going to receive, but to honor the countless or sleepless nights, the perseverance, and the breakdowns or the small wins or big wins of yours that kept us sane and kept us moving forward until today. And as we move to the next chapters of our lives, I know many of us are scared and full of doubts. Yung iba sa atin na kapasa na sa university na gusto nila. Some of us, sinusunod yung gusto ng parents, yung sinusunod yung mga parents nila. And some of us, hindi pa rin alam kung ano gagawin nila. And for me, it's okay. It will all be okay. Kasi we will not always know what to do. We will doubt ourselves many times and we will feel like we are being left behind. Pero we will figure it out. We will figure things out just like how we always have. And eventually, we will know what to do. And eventually, you'll be proud of yourself kung napagdaanan ka na doon. At sana, maging okay sa sarili nyo habang nandito kayo. At sa bagong yugo na ating tatalakin, manatili sana tayo kapag sa sarili natin. May we all remain true to ourselves. May we all have the voice to fight for what we know is right. And may we all have the voice to fight for what we know we deserve. And huwag sana tayo makakot sa mga multo na palagi tayo naglalawag. Dahil baka nga, we left them for a reason. Let us not carry the ghost of the past and instead allow ourselves to experience new things. Because it's okay to let go. It's okay to let go parts of yourselves. It's okay to let go of the things that no longer brings you peace. And if you're in the same situation, bago tayo mag-move forward sa college journey natin, please let go. As we exit this venue, uncertain or certain of what we want, I hope we never lose the courage to continue. Not just for ourselves, but for those people who have supported us along the way. And please allow me to take a moment to thank each of them. To our dear parents, to my parents, know that your sacrifices are seen, and I promise to make each of them worth it. To my friends, to my Galat people, to my KFC, to my alam niyo na, you know who you are. You do not know how much your presence affected me. Sobrang pasasalamat ko sa inyo. To our dear teachers, especially to Maya Geiser, Sir Christian Ross, and of course to the faculty C and faculty A teachers. Sobrang po pasasalamat ko sa inyo. You do not know paano niyo po ako tinulungan to stand here today na malakas ang loob. Sobrang pasasalamat ko sa inyo. And to the non-teaching staffs, the small interactions and the greetings po, they mean a lot to me. I will never forget it po. And to the whole SSI family, to the bottom of our food thank you so much. And of course, my fellow graduates, class 2024-2025, I hope we all achieve the life that we have always talked about. And may the stars align with who we want to become. Congratulations, you have made it this far, and to God be all the glory. Thank you.
Once again, Denise Calia, Maruba with highest honors from grade 12 views.